up and running, yeah? Praise God, yeah? So now it's money popping Saturday, work day. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. So today, what you're about to witness is the culmination of months of work. Due to Rona World, when we had gotten a Porsche Taycan for my brother, right? At the time, the exact setup wasn't available. It's Rona World now, so as you know, it's a take what you can get situation. So we took what we could get. Didn't have the rims that we had wanted, or that the brother had wanted. Well, actually that we had wanted, because I agreed with the brother, right? So we took what we could get, ordered the rims. When we ordered the rims, at first few came. Then a couple of days later, another few came. But it really took I want to say it took at least a month. I want to say it took between, let's say, to get the rims, to get all four, 3 weeks to a month, right? Now after taking 3 weeks to a month to get the rims, we had ordered the rims to be color coded to the car. Rims were not color coded to the car. So we said, all right, no problem, small tip. We'll just get them sorted out, send them to a professional rim painter, like someone that works on Ferraris and stuff, because this is a Porsche, right? And I guess he was in a rush. What happened was he didn't wait until they were fully dried to pull the tape. So you could see some inconsistencies, so he had to read them. That took another 2 to 3 weeks, right? Now, mind you, the first time him getting them painted took like 2 weeks, right? Few weeks, sorry. So we get them painted finally, right? We're over a month now. Get them painted. Decide, okay, the day has come. We're gonna carry them in and get them installed. Find out that the valve stems can't work. Had to wait. It feels like another month, but definitely a few weeks on the valve stem. So today is a day we're gonna try, or today's the day we're gonna install them. All right. Man decided to come straight to Elite Roads because when in South Florida you have a situation that you're not 110% sure about, better just come to them in terms of rim installation and car business. So today, looks like today shall be the day. It's finally coming together. We're going places. Yeah man, decided to spray the hub black. Right here, we're going to spray right here black. It's going to make a world of a difference. Yeah man, we're in business. First look before it's set in fully. Obviously when you drive for a little bit, it's gonna, set properly. Hey, when you say months of work, coming to fruition in months of work. See, the hub came out great. Look at that. Black hub looks way better, trust me.